Hey, Riv.
Hey! Yes, hi!
Nice to see you too. Anyway, how you doing?
So,
Okay, what is it that you want to tell me?
I,
Aw, you got a crush on her? That is so cute. But you're afraid that she might reject your feelings. Oh, Rivet, I am so sorry to hear. I know how much she means to you. I say you should tell her. You don't have to be afraid and keep it close to your chest like forever. At least tell her how you feel. That way she'll know how much you really care for her. You'll feel a lot better when you get out. And I'm really sure she'll be very happy and lucky to have you. Of course, there's no doubt about it. So, I really want to know, who's the lucky girl? Sounded oddly familiar. Who do you really have a crush on? I I am honored, and I love you too, Rivet.